Hey y'all, hey, what's going on? It is Nicole from Divine Creations. I miss you guys. How are you? I hope that your day is blessed and highly favored. Just wanted to show y'all my two Paw Patrol concepts. Call them bundles, call them gifts, call them whatever you want to call them. But this is how I'm doing it, and this hopefully will get sold this way. This is our boy Paw Patrol right here. And we have the toothpaste down here with the toothbrush and dental floss, and then we have the Paw Patrol Mighty Pups pack, and then we got the bounce ball bag, punching bag, and then we got the plush with the Crayola whip soap and finger paint, and then we have the large activity set for Paw Patrol, excuse the glare. And then we have a nice night light. And then we're going to go over here, and this is our girl concept right here. And we have the girl Paw Patrol with some hand sanitizer, some bubbles, and the Paw Patrol bubble machine. And then we have also the Paw Patrol Mighty Movie Pup pack in there. Also the large activity pack with the toothbrush as well. We also have a baseball cap on here, and then we have an art activity kit. So I believe the girl has more items, but I'm not sure. But I'm looking to do like $75 for these each. Y'all let me know what y'all think, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.